everybody, so I went to Harbor Freight, picked up some items. Not a lot of items, but we picked up a couple items. So this is going to be the tool haul. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so these are the items that I picked up from Harbor Freight. They were actually two separate purchases. I purchased the two welding items first, and then I went looking around and I purchased these two items. So I'm just going to do them in the same video. I picked up a pack of 5 flat soapstones, as well as a 4-piece soapstone marker set with holders. So it comes with a round holder, an extra round, comes with a flat, and comes with 2 flats, and then the actual holder for the flat. And then I just grabbed some extras. We're going to be doing a lot of welding, and all I have is markers. And I figured I'd try the soapstones. I've never actually used soapstones. I heard a lot of people do like them, so it never hurts to try. These were like $4 total for both of these. I used a 20% off coupon on the next two items, which is 12 volt battery to lighter socket extension, as well as a 12 volt extension cord. Fits a standard 12 volt cigarette lighter outlet, gives added reach to 12 volt accessory heavy duty coiled cord extension to 9 feet. The reason I grabbed this is this would have been helpful during using the power and ground outlet. Extending it away from the vehicle would have been helpful, so I picked these up. This was $12 total because I used a 20% coupon. Item number on the soapstone 5-pack is 60633. The multi-pack 4-piece marker and holder set is 64070. For the 12 volt extension cord, 9 feet extension cord, is 67072. And the 12 volt battery to lighter socket extension cord is 66407. Just a quick tool haul. We're going to be doing the unboxing in a separate video, so I appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.